Coca-Cola is one of the most iconic companies in the world and has a long-standing history of providing investors with solid dividend growth. The company has been paying dividends since 1920 and has grown its dividend annually for 55 consecutive years. This is an impressive feat and makes Coca-Cola's dividend growth story one that is worth exploring further. In this video, we will dive into why Coca-Cola's dividend growth story is so compelling. Coca-Cola is a juggernaut in the beverage industry, generating consistent revenues year after year. Over the past 5 years, revenue has grown from $35 billion to over $40 billion. In addition to revenue growth, Coca-Cola has also seen net income increase steadily, going from $8.5 billion in 2015 to over $10 billion in 2020. This steady growth in income is reflected in their strong operating margin of 22%, which is well above the industry average. Coca-Cola has also managed to remain extremely efficient with their capital structure, holding a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.29, which is far lower than the industry average. As a result, Coca-Cola can maintain an attractive return on equity, ROE, of 16.2%. This shows that Coca-Cola is effectively utilizing their resources to generate healthy returns for shareholders. Overall, Coca-Cola's financials are very strong, which makes it an attractive dividend stock for investors. The company is consistently generating strong returns for shareholders, making it an ideal investment for those looking for dividend income. Dividend history. Coca-Cola first began paying dividends in 1920 and has continued to pay dividends ever since. The company has a long history of consistently increasing its dividend payout, with only a few exceptions. For example, during the Great Depression in the 1930s, Coca-Cola reduced its dividend payout, but quickly resumed increasing it once the economy improved. Dividend growth. Over the past 10 years, Coca-Cola has increased its dividend payout by an average of 6.3% per year. This is a significant increase and demonstrates the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders. In fact, Coca-Cola has increased its dividend payout for 59 consecutive years, making it one of the most reliable dividend-paying companies in the world. Dividend yield. Coca-Cola's dividend yield is currently around 3%, which is higher than the average yield of the S&P 500. This makes Coca-Cola an attractive investment for income-oriented investors who are looking for reliable and consistent dividends. Dividend payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio is an important metric for investors as it measures the percentage of a company's earnings that are paid out as dividends. A high payout ratio can be an indicator that a company is paying out more than it can afford, which could lead to a reduction in the dividend payout in the future. Conversely, a low payout ratio could indicate that a company has room to increase its dividend payout. Coca-Cola's dividend payout ratio is currently around 80%, which is relatively high. However, it is important to note that Coca-Cola has a long history of consistently increasing its dividend payout, which suggests that the company is comfortable with its current payout ratio. Furthermore, Coca-Cola has a strong balance sheet with plenty of cash reserves, which provides it with the financial flexibility to continue increasing its dividend payout. Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Coca-Cola offers a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, which allows shareholders to reinvest their dividends back into the company's stock. This can be an attractive option for long-term investors, as it allows them to compound their investment over time without incurring any trading fees. Conclusion. In conclusion, Coca-Cola has a long history of consistently increasing its dividend payout and is one of the most reliable dividend-paying companies in the world. Over the past 10 years, Coca-Cola has increased its dividend payout by an average of 6.3% per year and currently has a dividend yield of around 3%. While its current dividend payout ratio is relatively high, Coca-Cola has a strong balance sheet and a long history of consistently increasing its dividend payout, which suggests that the company is comfortable with its current payout ratio. For income-oriented investors looking for reliable and consistent dividends, Coca-Cola could be an attractive investment option. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.